Fresh peppermint leaves are harvested at peak maturity.
Steam gently extracts the aromatic compounds from the mint leaves, producing natural peppermint essential oil. The pure peppermint essential oil is separated, filtered, tested, and packed for delivery to food and chewing gum factories.
Chewing gum production begins with carefully sourced food-grade ingredients. Gum base, refined sugar, glucose syrup, sweeteners, softeners, and natural mint flavors are manufactured suppliers.
The journey of liquid-filled begins with carefully selected food-grade ingredients: sugar, glucose syrup, gum base, sweeteners, and flavoring material. Before production begins, every ingredient undergoes strict quality testing. Only approved raw materials are transferred to hygienic storage, ensuring every batch. The approved gum base is gently heated in a steam-jacketed kettle until it becomes soft, smooth, and elastic. This melted gum base forms the every piece of Center Fresh chewing gum.
Once the gum base has melted, carefully measured ingredients including sugar, glucose syrup, sweeteners, softeners, and refreshing mint flavor are added.
The freshly pressed, continuous sheet, with a perfectly uniform thickness, preparing it for cooling and shaping. The freshly rolled gum sheet passes controlled cooling, firms the gum while preserves smooth texture and flexibility, preparing it for precise cutting.
The cooled gum sheet is precisely scored and cut into identical pieces. Every chewing gum is shaped with exact dimensions, preparing it for the signature liquid-filled center.
The signature Center Fresh experience comes from its liquid-filled center. Precision filling technology injects a measured amount of refreshing.
After the liquid filling is sealed, the chewing gum passes through a controlled cooling tunnel. This stabilizes the outer shell while protecting the refreshing liquid center inside every piece.
Each chewing gum is automatically wrapped in a protective, airtight wrapper. High-speed sealing ensures every piece stays fresh, hygienic, and ready for final packaging. After individual wrapping, the chewing gums are automatically counted and packed into retail pouches and heat-sealed to ensure freshness and consistent product quantity.
Finally, the retail pouches are packed into shipping cartons and automatically stacked onto pallets. Each pallet is securely wrapped, making the chewing gum ready for storage and nationwide distribution.
After passing every quality check, the finished chewing gum is shipped across India to distributors, supermarkets, and retail stores, enjoyed by millions. From carefully selected ingredients to advanced manufactured center, delivering the refreshing experience that makes it a favorite across India.
And that's how liquid-filled chewing gum is manufactured. From carefully selected raw material, precision processing, hygienic packaging, refreshing burst of flavor inside every piece. Thanks for watching.